Hi, welcome back to Easy Moto Tim, where I share tips to enhance your motorcycle travel experience. Do you wear earbuds to listen to music while you ride? In this video, we'll look at a set of do-it-yourself earbuds. I like to wear earbuds to listen to music while I ride. For several years, I used custom molded earplugs and helmet speakers to listen to music. But the sound quality wasn't good enough, and it was increasingly difficult to hear the music as my hearing deteriorated. Next, I tried a set of custom molded ear monitors. They sounded pretty good, but they were fragile and they broke when I dropped them. You can see the plastic body is very thin. Next, I tried inexpensive earbuds. These are Panasonic, and Radian's molding material. These sound pretty good, but I've found that I can't get a very good seal in my ear to block out road noise. Next, I'm going to try custom earphones from Fuze to see if they are any better at blocking noise. Let's take a look at that product. You can get the earbuds with a regular length cord or a short cord. I bought a set with a short cord. Here's what's in the kit. The earbuds. Notice the small size. It should be easy to get molding material around them. There are 3 sets of molding material. There's one that you can use to practice or if you mess up. There's a short extension cord, a set of larger tips, and full instructions. Now, I tested the earbuds before molding them into my ears, and the sound quality seems fine to me. There's plenty of volume for these buds. The instructions say to put the earbuds in your ears, connect them to a music source, mix the 2 parts of the molding material, press the material into the bowl of your ear and into the helix region. Wait 15 to 20 minutes and you're done. I'm going to have my wife do the molding and we'll see what happens. Alright, we're set up to try molding the first ear. I have the earbuds in and I'm listening to music on my tablet. Beth is going to mix the material and mold it into my right ear. Okay, that feels good. We'll stop it, and it's supposed to wait 10 or 15 minutes. Hello again. It's the next day, and the ear molds have had plenty of time to cure. They fit well and seem to block quite a bit of noise. And this is what they look like when they're done. One thing to be sure to do is to insert them in your ears and get enough molding material below the earbud so that it's completely surrounded with the molding material. I'm going to be going on a trip. I'll wear these for a couple of weeks and let you know how they perform. Also, you should know that Fuze has not sponsored this video in any way. I bought them on my own just to see how they work and to evaluate them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.